Okay, so what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to talk about Litecoin and trying to determine are the Litecoin sellers if they're targeting lower prices, because if so, then we make a drop a price prediction and look for the market to go lower at one of these three buyers pockets that you guys see on my chart. So welcome everyone to the channel. Before you go, if you appreciate the content, make sure you hit the like, share, and subscribe for more of the simplistic understanding of market price prediction and forecasting. This is what we're here for. So you guys can see that there's not a price prediction on our chart in Litecoin. We really wasn't looking for too much in terms of price movement. Hopefully today we can drop a price prediction for Litecoin. And if it may, I know many of you may be buyers of this currency, the price prediction may actually be one for lower prices. I mean, we're already trending down ever since October the 29th. The only way that we can see that stoppage into the market in Litecoin occur is if these buyers in this buyer pocket support price. Now let's start off with the market on the 2 for Litecoin. You guys can see that this rejection area at this seller's pocket is still holding firm. Okay, we saw this going all the way back here in July. The buyers into the market in Litecoin was able to push price back into the seller's pocket, and you guys can see the reaction and the result. They were not willing to break the zone or the pocket, so the market went right back down. Maybe we can see another bounce on this buyer's pocket to build up enough momentum to where the buyers can actually and finally break this seller's pocket to the upside. Here's Litecoin on the 3. Okay. I don't like this 3-day price bar right there. I don't like that one. If I was a buyer, I won't like that. Here it is on the 4. Pretty much the same type of price bar. And I will put this 4-day price bar in conjunction with this rejection of the seller's pocket there from the buyers. Litecoin on the 5. Here is Litecoin on the weekly chart. This is how last week printed in terms of price action. It wasn't bullish. This is the second week that the buyers did not close higher than this weekly price bar. We should have seen follow through off of this weekly price bar in Litecoin. You guys can see 2 weeks later, we still didn't get it. It tells you that those buyers were not interested in breaking the seller's pocket right here. Okay. So again, I'm thinking that the market has a higher edge to continue to go lower right now. Now, like I said, it may just come to this first buyer's pocket though. Again, here it is on the 2 weeks. We need to see follow through on these price bars, and we're not getting it. The market comes right back down. Litecoin on the 3. Here it is on the 5. I will tell you in the next 5 days, 13 hours, if this Litecoin 5-weekly price bar closes at the low like it is right now, then we need to anticipate lower prices. Here it is on the monthly time frame too. Okay, so I'm already done. 3 minutes in, and we're going to anticipate lower prices into the market in Litecoin. We're going to create another seller zone right here, or a seller's pocket. And we're going to anticipate lower prices into the market in Litecoin. First target is going to be this first buyer's pocket. Can either bounce at the high of this this buyer's pocket, or at the low, either or. Okay, at the high of it gets around 5%. At the low gives us around 7. Outside of that, we're going to target this next buyer's pocket. At the low of that buyer's pocket is around 11% there. Let me take this up to around here. Okay, so that's it. I really don't think the market is like crashing or plummeting, anything like that. I think that the current direction and trend is just a little bit weak, which is why we're just going to target these first 2 buyers pocket. It may just bounce on this first buyer's pocket. That may be it. We'll see though. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.